Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have ever felt like your kitchen stove was holding you back, or if you need a serious cooking upgrade that does not require a full renovation, you are in the right place. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the Leconchef Induction Cooktop. This is not just a standard hot plate you pick up at a convenience store. This is a commercial-grade, high-performance machine designed to bring professional power to your countertop. Let us start with the build quality because this is where Leconchef truly separates itself from the competition. We are talking about a thickened stainless steel body that feels rugged and built to last. The most impressive stat here is the load-bearing capacity. This unit can handle up to 110 pounds of weight. That means you can throw your heaviest cast iron pots, your massive Dutch ovens, or your professional stockpots on here without a second thought. It is rare to see a portable burner that feels this substantial. When you crank this thing up to its maximum 1800 watts, heat management becomes the biggest challenge for any induction unit. Leconchef has addressed this with a dual-fan cooling system featuring two 7-blade fans. These fans and the rear cooling vents work in tandem to keep the internal components from overheating, which significantly extends the lifespan of the cooker. During my testing, the cooling process felt efficient and kept the unit running stable even during longer cooking sessions. The control interface is highly flexible. You get 10 distinct power and temperature settings ranging from 400 watts up to the full 1800 watts. Temperature control goes from 80 degrees Celsius up to 270 degrees Celsius. Whether you are doing a delicate simmer for a sauce or a high-heat sear for a steak, the distribution of the electromagnetic coils ensures that the heat is spread evenly across the surface. No more cold spots in the middle of your pan. Now, let us talk about the convenience features. The 24-hour timer and the preset functions are game changers for anyone who likes to do soups or slow-cooked stews. You can set your temperature, dial in your time, and step away to handle other tasks without worrying about your meal. It adds a level of professional efficiency to your kitchen workflow that you simply do not get with traditional gas or electric coil stoves. Every product has its trade-offs, so here are the pros and cons. On the positive side, the build quality is top tier, the heating speed is remarkably fast, and the weight capacity is unmatched in this category. It is also very easy to wipe down thanks to the stainless design. On the downside, because this is a powerful commercial-grade tool, it does have a distinct fan noise when it is running at high power, which is the price you pay for keeping those electronics cool. Also, remember that you must use induction-compatible cookware for this to work. If your current pots are not magnetic, you will need to upgrade those as well. In conclusion, the Leconchef Induction Cooktop is a fantastic investment for anyone who needs serious cooking power in a portable format. Whether you are a professional chef, a caravan enthusiast, or just someone looking to add a powerful extra burner to your home kitchen, this unit delivers. It is durable, precise, and incredibly efficient. If you want to take your cooking to the next level, this is a piece of gear that belongs on your counter. Link in the description.